how to create PP size photo using Microsoft Word. It's too much easy. Today I'll teach you how can you create and print the PP size photo in Microsoft Word. So hoping you will understand, and please watch until the last. So welcome back to in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So let's start the video. Now let's go to our computer screen. So now I'm showing you my computer screen. So just follow all the steps to print your PP size photo in Microsoft Word.
So you can see here's my computer screen and it's blank. There is nothing inside my document. So you can see here is a Microsoft Word which is I'm using to print PP size photo in front of you. And please watch until the last and you will learn to print PP size photos using Microsoft Word. It's too much easier. So after this, just you have to click in the insert to bring a photo. So from here just you have to click in the picture and just choose the photo which you want to print. Okay, so I'm searching my photo. Now here is my photo and I am clicking in the insert. Now see, my photo is already came inside. If the photo size is not in the proper size, then you have to make the size should be, the height should be 1.16 inch and the width should be 0.97 inch. Then it is the perfect size of PP size. Okay, you have to make the perfect size. If you didn't make it the perfect size, it will not work. So after this, just click in the wrap text and now you have to make it in front of text. Before it was in line with text, now you have to click in front of text. From here, if you want to make the clone of this photo, just press the control button. Okay, just you have to press control button and after this just click and drag like this. Now you can see there is my image is making a clone. Now you can see there is 6 copies of my photograph which is I'm going to print from my printer and from my Microsoft Word. It will work or not, let's start. So now just make it your PP size in right right position. Okay, just make it in the right position. After this, after making it in the right position, you have to press Ctrl plus P or you can directly go in file and just you have to click in the print. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Now you can see there is a printer options. So from here you have to choose your printer. So now I'm using my brother DCP J100 printer and from here, so I'm making the paper size is A4. Okay, because I'm using the A4 size paper. And from here, from the printer properties, just wait for a moment, you have to make it not the plain paper, it should be brother BP71 photo paper. Okay, or you can directly choose the other photo paper also, it's the same option. And from here you have to you can choose the print quality from here, but it's okay for me. No, it's okay, I'm using the best. Okay, and from here you can make it natural and you can use it vivid also, and you can choose the orientation also from here. And from here you can make it color and grayscale. You can set the print profile also. So after this, just you have to click in the OK, and after the finishing, just I am clicking in the print. Now let's go to in our printer, it will work or not.
So now our Microsoft Word process is finished. So now let's start our printer. Then after that, let's start to print.
Now you can see here is a USB hub and I'm connecting my USB hub inside my computer, inside my with my printer. Just wait for a moment. I'm connecting this USB hub, this USB cable inside the USB hub to print my PP size photo. Now you can see, now it's connected and my printer is working right now.
Now you can see our printer is opening, and now let's start to print.
Now you can see my printer is telling that the receiving data and it's printing on the photo. Just wait for a moment. Wait for a moment, it's printing. Okay, just wait for a moment, it's printing. You can listen the photo. Just wait for a moment. Wait for a moment, it's printing. Okay, just wait for a moment, it's printing. You can listen the voice. Maybe my printer sorry, my printer is printing my photo. Now you can see here is a photo. My printer is already printed this photo, and hoping that you understand. Now I'm cutting this one. Now you can see this is the perfect photo.
So hoping that you understand how can you print PP size photo using Microsoft Word, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you another video. Thank you so much once again, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe right now. So thank you so much once again. Goodbye, see you again.